to detect how much time is needed to find out an issue, how much time is required to fix it or to develop some kind of strategy or some kind of remedy. नंबर फोर्थ पे जो है साइज ओरिएंटेड मेजरमेंट्स, ये क्या होती हैं? साइज ओरिएंटेड मेट्रिक्स आर यूज टू एनालाइज द क्वालिटी ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर विद द हेल्प ऑफ 1000 लाइंस ऑफ कोड क्वांटिफायर KLOC, इसको एब्रीवेशन में भी कहा जाता है, दैट आर यूज टू डिटरमिन द बग्स, एरर्स और कॉस्ट पर 1000 लाइंस. फंक्शन ओरिएंटेड मेथड्स आर these are about the function points और function point को हम बता सकें. This is a function point is a core quantifier and it is a measure that demonstrates how much functionality or business functionality mainly a product gives. And the methodology considers user inputs, error reports and the messages and user inquiries, etc. Quality assurance metrics जो है definitely it will be concerning about quantifying the quality. What are the quality metrics in software testing? Testing is an integral part of the development process. There are hundreds of the metrics of the software quality testing, but let's be talking about basic metrics. And the basic metrics include test cases executed and the test cases written. Calculated metrics are usually executed by quality assurance lead and are used to determine the progress of the project. The reports of the calculated metrics can help to improve the whole software development life cycle. To make clear how quality assurance metrics works, let's see some of the ordinary testing steps. For example, determine the core issues to be tested. For instance, test a tracking progress system. With regard to the first step, specify the metrics that will be used and the number of test cases that will be written daily, and assign the testing to the responsible person. Then calculate the efficiency of the metrics used and define where to implement the metrics results to enhance the product development or its workflow. कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन की हम पहले मेट्रिक्स की बात कर भी चुके हैं, थोड़ा सा इनको फिर देख लेते हैं. दिस मेट्रिक्स एक्चुअली एस्टिमेट्स द लेवल ऑफ द कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन. वो जो हमने बात की थी, सेटिस्फाइड, फुली टोटली सेटिस्फाइड, डिससेटिस्फाइड और टोटली डिससेटिस्फाइड, वो जो स्केल हमने डिस्कस किया था. So this matrix estimates the level of customer satisfaction with the product that varies from very satisfied to very dissatisfied customers. The data about the level of the quality under these terms is obtained from the customer surveys and calculated in percentage. Note that the most exact results from the measuring software quality can be obtained when the first version of the product is released. So once a site or an application or else is released, it is easy to claim its quality level. A team can state number of KLOC, that means 1000 lines of code, defect rates and what improvements to make for the next versions. Different metrics of the software quality can come in handy if you need to find out what are the most effective changes to be implemented in the process of the software development. So this was about the customer satisfaction metrics. So depending upon the nature of the software and the size of the software you are developing, or the domain, or you may say the area of the service or the product you are developing, or accordingly you will choose some of the metrics. So we just have an introductory overview of different kind of the metrics which are chosen by the software development, or you may say the quality assurance team. Next जो है वो हमारा मेजरमेंट स्केल्स हैं। इनको थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं। 5 टाइप्स के मेजरमेंट स्केल्स हैं जी। नॉमिनल स्केल्स हैं और ऑर्डिनल स्केल्स, इंटरवल स्केल्स एंड रेशियो स्केल्स और फाइनली एब्सोल्यूट स्केल। इनको थोड़ा सा हम समझते हैं। नॉमिनल स्केल जो है इट प्लेसेस द एलिमेंट्स इन अ क्लासिफिकेशन स्कीम। द क्लासेस विल नॉट बी ऑर्डर्ड and each and every entity should be placed in a particular class or a category based on the value of the attribute. It has two major characteristics. The empirical relation system consists only of different classes, and there is no notion of ordering among the classes. Or secondly, any distinct numbering of the symbolic